today we will practice 100 short, natural questions and answers that you can use in everyday conversations. Here is how it works. I will ask you a question, then I will give you the answer. Then you read the answer out loud. And finally, I will say the answer slowly so you can check your pronunciation and repeat after me. This is a great speaking practice with me. We will start with small talk and daily life. Are you busy right now? Not really. What's up? Do you live nearby? Yeah, just a few streets away. Are you free this weekend? Yeah, I'm free on Saturday. Is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first time. How about you? Do you usually cook at home? Yes, I cook most evenings. Are you tired? A little, but I'm okay. Do you watch TV at night? Yes, I usually watch something after dinner. Are you feeling better now? Yeah, much better, thanks. Do you take the bus to work? No, I usually drive. Are you good at cooking? I'm okay, but I'm not great. Do you read before bed? Yeah, almost every night. Are you ready to go? Yes, I've got everything. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football on Sundays. Are you busy tomorrow? Yes, I have a lot to do. Do you like your neighbors? Yes, they are really nice. Are you into music? Yes, I listen to music every day. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, 3 times a week. Are you on social media? Yes, but not very often. Do you drink coffee every day? Yes, at least 2 cups. Are you learning something new? Yes, I'm learning English. Do you get up early? Yes, I usually wake up at 6. Are you feeling cold? Yes, it's freezing today. Do you check the news every day? Yes, I check it every morning. Are you ready for lunch? Yes, I'm starving. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, a little Spanish. Okay, now we move on to questions and answers about shopping and eating out. Do you need a bag? No, I bought my own, thanks. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the pasta, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, a glass of water, please. Do you want the receipt? Yes, please. Are you paying by card? Yes, I will pay by card. Do you want it to go? Yes, take away, please. Would you like a table inside or outside? Outside, please. Is the service charge included? Yes, it's already included. Do you want to try it on? Yes. Where are the changing rooms? Are you looking for anything special? Yes, I need a black jacket. Do you want still or sparkling water? Still water, please. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. Do you want to split the bill? Yes, let's split it. Is this on sale? Yes, it's half price today. Do you need a basket? No, I'll just carry it, thanks. Would you like to pay now or later? I will pay now. Do you want cash back? No, thanks. Is everything okay with your meal? Yeah, it's perfect. Thank you. Do you want to keep the bag? No, you can take it. Would you like to try a sample? Yes, please. Do you want to add dessert? No, I'm full. Thanks. Is this your size? Yes, it fits well. Do you want ketchup with that? Yes, please. Would you like to sit by the window? Yes, that would be nice. Do you need a straw? No, I'm fine, thanks. Okay, now we move on to questions and answers about work and phone calls. Can I call you back later? Sure, no problem. Are you coming to the meeting? Yes, I'll be there at 10.